Hello everyone. Today is my fourth lecture on networking analogy. The reason for doing this lecture is because before going into the complications of understanding the networking concepts, I want you guys to understand how the networking looks like on a ground level. So here I have created a topology, okay, and I'm going to compare it with the post office, like how our postal service works. So this is a very simple example and it will give you an overview how the packet or the data flows in a network. So as we are going to compare it with the postal service, so here you can see that I have created a house which is in India. Then it is connected to the nearby post office, which is connected to regional post office, then to the central post office, and similarly on this side. So starting with the analogy, so just imagine that any data or any envelope has to be sent from house A, which is in India, to house B, which is in USA. Okay. So how it happens is first the data or the envelope will be sent to the nearby post office. Okay. The nearby post office will look at the address which is given into this, which is written into that envelope. Now looking at that address, it will forward it to the regional post office. Now regional post office will again check the address on the envelope, and according to that, it will forward it to the central post office. Now, once it reaches to the central post office on the other end, it will check the address and it will forward it to the regional post office of US. And similarly, it will forward it to the nearby post office and then it will be sent to the house, like the destination house. So if you can see over here, using the destination address which is given onto that envelope, the packet has transferred from one side to the other side. Okay. I have drawn two other houses over here, the house C and the house D. The house C is connected to the nearby post office and the house D is connected to the regional post office. The reason for doing that is to make sure that you guys understand that every time the packet doesn't need to go to the central post office. Okay. If the packet has to send from house A to the house C, and you can see both of them connected to the same nearby post office, right? So once the envelope is sent to the nearby post office, and as soon as it sees that it belongs to my region only or my postal area, it can directly send the packet to the house C. Okay. It doesn't need to go all the way to the cloud's central post office and then come back over here. Similarly, if house A has to send a packet to the house D, which belongs to the same region, then the packet will traverse till the regional post office and from there it will be sent to the correct house. As in this case, it is house D. Okay. So this is the analogy which I wanted to discuss before going into the complications of network. And this is very much similar when it comes to networking. In networking also, the packet starts from the host, then it goes to the switch or directly to the router. And from there, looking at the destination address, it is forwarded to the right path. And similarly, at each hop, the destination address is getting checked and then forwarded to the next hop. Okay. So hope this video is useful for you. If you guys have any confusion related to this networking analogy, you can put up into the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.